How to add music to WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar. Now type WhatsApp and click on search. Now tap on WhatsApp and make sure to update to the latest version. Now after updating simply tap on open. Now tap on updates. Now simply tap on my status. Now select your photo. Now tap on the music icon at the top section of your screen. Now select your music. If you want to search for the music, tap on search songs and type the name. Now once you search for the music, select the right arrow. Now select the portion of the music you want to add to your status. Now tap on done. Now tap on the send button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.